Pigeons are considered as the undisputed champions of the sky, but now scientists have used their body structure to build a blueprint for a new generation of flying machines. Using the mechanism of how pigeons' joints control the spread of their wing feathers, researchers have built a robotic pigeon with real pigeon feathers, called PigeonBot, which, like a real pigeon, can adjust the shape of its feathered wings. This research paves the way for developing bird-like wings that could help aircraft machines make better turns in tighter spaces, such as in dense urban areas or forests. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.